Hey guys, Candida here, and I've been using the Clorox foaming glass cleaner for several months now, and it's doing well. I love the fact that when I spray it on, it actually foams, and so I'm able to not only clean it, but I'm able to see what I'm cleaning. Here I've got a window behind me that's gotten dirty from the dogs, and so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and clean it and show you how not only it cleans, but it leaves the glass streak free. We have a lot of glass in our house, and so for me, having the streak-free windows is important. So I'm spraying the foam here, and as you see, it's going to start running down a little bit, but for the most part, it's nice and thick. And you can see the puppies as well. That usually make the mess. And so here I'm able to continue just cleaning, making sure that I've gotten all of the cleaner off. And now it is streak-free, and I can see right through the glass without any of the grime. And so I hope that you found this review helpful.